how to book flights directly through Google Flights. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can book flights directly through Google Flights. So if this is your question, sit back, watch to the end, and you will know how to do so. So the first step is to log in into your Google Flights account, just like I've done here. And so once you're on this page, the next step is for you to move down to the flight section, and here go ahead and select the kind of flight you want. Now, in case you find yourself in other tabs like travel, like explore, like hotel, like vacation rentals, ensure you find your way back to flights because that's what you have business with. So yeah, select the kind of trip you want. All right, do you want a round trip? Do you want a one-way trip? Do you want a multi-city trip? For me, I want a one-way trip, and I'll just select that. Then by selecting one-way trip, select the number of passengers, number of people that are going, then select the kind of class you want. All right, so after selecting the kind of class you want, select your location, where are you heading to? And so select your departure date by checking this the date here. I'm moving to the right side and clicking on the arrows, and then click on search. So by clicking on search, flights that are available for those days will be displayed. And then if you cannot find any flights for those days, you can just adjust the flights. Okay, then click on the search icon again, and then the flights are available will be displayed. And yeah, you can decide to filter the kind of flights you want, the kind of airline you want, because Google Flights will connect you to airlines that offer those flights for those days. Okay, so you can see the different airlines here. Air Peace is the major one displayed here. Then we have Air Cote d'Ivoire, we have Aero Nigeria, we have Arik Air. If you have a particular one you have in mind, just click on airlines, and then you will see the different airlines that you can use to filter your search. All right. But if not, you can just check through the flight available, and then you'll see the different ones. So select the airline that you'd like to work with. So after selecting the airline, you'll be taken to the next page. And so you see the option booking options, right? So select how you would like to book. Would you like to book with Travel Wings, or would you like to book with Air Peace? So select the one that you can afford, and then click on continue. And then the page would load, and you'll be redirected to the airline's homepage, where you can now continue with the booking process. So the one you selected is the one that's been highlighted here, and then you can now select the kind of flights here as well, based on the economy class, business class, and the first class that Air Peace offers. So just go ahead, select. After selecting, check out the price. If it's something you would like to do, click on it. Then you can now go ahead, book your flight, and you are good to go. So this is how you can book a flight directly on Google Flights. It is very, very simple because it will give you quite a number of options that you can easily choose from. So thank you for watching, and ensure you practice this, and I wish you a safe trip.